Hey guys, are you wanna buy best running boards? Then you are on the right place. Our today's video is about top 5 best running boards that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. Now let's get started. Starting at Yzona CrewMax Cab Running Boards. The Yzona 2 Stairs Design Drop Running Boards are a premium upgrade for 2022 to 2026 Toyota Tundra CrewMax cab owners, offering both functionality and durability in one sleek package. Featuring a dual-tier design, these running boards make accessing lifted trucks or roof racks effortless while maintaining excellent ground clearance. The 6-inch leaf-shaped step pads provide secure footing and an aggressive look, ideal for trucks with oversized tires. Built from 2mm heavy-duty carbon steel, each side supports up to 550 pounds, ensuring long-lasting strength. The black powder-coated finish offers superior resistance against rust, corrosion, and harsh weather. Installation is simple, no drilling or cutting required, thanks to precision-engineered mounting holes that allow for a quick 20-minute setup. The package includes all necessary hardware, brackets, and instructions. Backed by a reliable 2-year warranty, Yzona's drop running boards deliver excellent functionality, rugged design, and dependable performance for your Tundra. Now our second product is Eyouhz Running Boards. The Eyouhz 2 Stairs Design Running Boards are a perfect blend of strength, style, and practicality for Jeep Wrangler JL and JLU Unlimited 4-door models, 2018 to 2025, including 4xe. Built with off-road enthusiasts in mind, the dual-tier design provides excellent accessibility for lifted Jeeps and easy roof access. The hollow step pattern ensures stable footing, prevents water buildup, and enhances aerodynamics by reducing drag. Constructed from heavy-duty 2mm carbon steel, each board supports up to 550 pounds, while the thick main tube adds rigidity and protection against road debris. A premium black powder-coated finish offers superior corrosion and rust resistance, ensuring durability through all weather conditions. Installation is quick and straightforward, no drilling required, with perfectly aligned mounting holes for a secure fit in just 20 minutes. With a 1-year factory warranty and lifelong customer support, Eyouhz delivers reliability, rugged performance, and convenience for every Jeep Wrangler owner. Our third product is Comnova 6-inch running boards. These Silverado running boards are a rugged and stylish upgrade for 2019 to 2026 Chevy Silverado 1500 Crew Cab and 2020 to 2026 Silverado/Sierra 2500 HD and 3500 HD Crew Cab models. Crafted from heavy-duty carbon steel with anti-slip plastic step pads, they deliver exceptional durability and secure footing in all weather conditions. The powder-coated finish, infused with a subtle glitter effect, adds both rust protection and a touch of style. With a 6-inch wide step area and a sturdy, non-welded OE-style design supported by 8 brackets per set, these boards can easily handle up to 500 pounds per side. The innovative slider design allows you to adjust the boards forward or backward for a customized fit, an industry-patented feature that enhances usability and aesthetics. Installation is quick and drill-free, taking minimal time while ensuring a solid mount. Built for strength, stability, and sleek looks, these running boards are ideal for any Silverado or Sierra owner seeking performance and style. Now number 4, AutoBull Running Boards. The AutoBull Running Boards are a premium addition for 2019 to 2025 Dodge Ram 1500 Crew Cab owners seeking both function and flair. Designed with precision fitment for the new body style, these side steps combine durability, safety, and style in one sleek package. Crafted from high-quality rust-resistant aluminum, they feature ABS plastic corner covers for added edge protection and a bold honeycomb anti-slip surface that enhances both grip and appearance. The 6-inch wide step area provides ample space for easy entry and exit, especially convenient for families or lifted trucks. Beyond convenience, these running boards offer valuable protection against road debris, scratches, and minor impacts. Finished with a black powder coating, they resist corrosion and harsh weather for long-lasting performance. Installation is straightforward, with all brackets and hardware included. Backed by a 36-month warranty, AutoBull's running boards deliver reliable strength, modern aesthetics, and dependable protection for your Ram 1500. And our last choice is Perfit Liner Running Boards. These running boards are a robust and practical upgrade for 2015 to 2025 Ford F-150 Super Crew Cab and 2017 to 2025 F-250/F-350 Super Duty Crew Cab owners. Designed with safety in mind, the anti-slip surface ensures stable footing even on wet, snowy, or icy surfaces, reducing the risk of slips while entering or exiting the vehicle. Constructed from high-strength, corrosion-resistant materials, they offer long-lasting durability and reliable protection against everyday wear and environmental damage. Each side supports up to 500 pounds, providing confidence and stability for passengers of all sizes. Installation is straightforward, with all necessary mounting brackets, hardware, and clear instructions included, making it a simple DIY project. Beyond functionality, these running boards enhance the vehicle's appearance while offering practical convenience. With comprehensive after-sales support, they combine durability, safety, and ease of use, making them an ideal addition for Ford truck owners seeking dependable, stylish, and long-lasting side steps. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.